So we at our currently our 2-unit apartment building on the west side of Chicago. Just giving y'all an update. We got the brick guys coming over, to kind of clean up the brick, cut open some windows, brick some windows up, move some doors around. We just ordered our truss because we are building a dormer up. So we do have our truss just arrived on the site as well too. We got 2 levels so far. The first floor is going to be 1 unit, and upstairs is going to be the 2nd unit, but we're building up a dormer, which is going to be another 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. So, always think about adding square footage, like I say, bedrooms and bathrooms when you want to increase the value of the property. We got this property here for about $28,000. We're going to put about $300,000 to $325,000 in it to rehab it, and we're going to list it for around, $500,000 in that range. So pretty good profit margins on this one. So just giving y'all an update on where we at with now. You see the guys back there, they already cutting up some windows. What's up? Yo. What's up? You good? Yeah. So as y'all can see, definitely got to do a lot of tuck pointing on this one. Definitely the water just ate that brick up. As y'all can see, we got this window already going in. So just getting everything lined up. And of course, we got the blueprints, the plans and stuff first. Probably gonna end up doing concrete all the way around here. There's some more truss that we got. Got to mark it, represent the brand. As y'all can see, 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿 Construction Group, Renovate, Transform, and Inspire. Yep, so we probably definitely gonna, just because it's so tight down there to be doing grass. So just concrete that all the way around. Definitely got to get some more plaster in on the side. Y'all probably can't see as much right there. Yep. So we'll take a step in and, check. Wait. Let me introduce myself. My name is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿 Jr. I'm a social impact real estate developer and a 7-figure entrepreneur. In the last few years, I've been able to scale my real estate portfolio to over 30 rental properties valued at over $6 million in just a few short years, all by leveraging credit. I've started a community, and I want to invite you to for less than $2 a day. All you have to do is text the word group to the number below, and I'll send over the details for you. If you find yourself struggling with removing late payments, collection, charge-off, bankruptcies, and different things like that, or you find yourself having difficulty getting approved for funding, let me work with you so that we can help you reach your desired results. So other than that, I don't want to hold you up. I want you to get back to the video, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. Got the inside. We do have our dumpster on site, as y'all can see behind me. Got the dumpster on site. Step in the inside and just show y'all where we at with it so far. We already framed up the entire first floor unit. So these are stairs to go up to the 2nd floor, and this is the entire first floor, as y'all can see. So we literally laid out our plywood down. We can just go over our floors, with our luxury vinyl flooring or whatever we choose to use. Always keep the plans on site. Just try to keep it as clean as possible for sure. But as y'all can see, it's fully framed out on the first floor, fully framed out. Those the windows, right? So when y'all first come in right here, right, this will be the kitchen area right here. We're gonna have the refrigerator over there, stove, microwave, and it's going to be an island right here, right? And you'll be able to go around that way and go through the hallway. But the first floor is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom unit. Upstairs is going to be 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. That's what upstairs is gonna look like. So this is your living space. As you can see, this is gonna be all your living space on the first floor. All your living space right here. The stairs, we're gonna make this storage right here. As you can see, probably get a glass box rental. So this is gonna be, just storage, a pantry area to put stuff that you need back here. But tons and tons of space right here, to store things. When you're thinking about these apartments and properties, make sure you put your storage on because, a lot of the times that's what our tenants and that's what people are looking for, places to store things as well, right? So here you have 2 bedrooms, right? And then we got our closets right here, right? We use this entire space for the closets. So we got one of the closets for this room right here, and then a closet on that side for that room right there, you know? So we got our window already framed out, right? Nice size bedroom. Nice size bedroom. Up here too, sometimes we lose space, right, for those closets. So we'll put extra storage up there so you can kind of put comforters or shoes or whatever you want up top. So we'll do a custom door right there and just, you know, use that space versus losing it, right? This is our utility closet. So we're gonna have the hot water tank, the furnace, the washer and dryer and things all up over here in this area right here. So y'all can see, small unit, but pretty good. This will be the second bedroom right here. This is just our support wall, so don't mind that. Have a couple windows in here, like I said. That's the closet. We got the closet over there. Got our extra storage space. Definitely got to take advantage of that. So nice layout, nice concept we did on our most recent property. So we just brought it over here because, you know, in Chicago, a lot of these properties are the same. So we just took that same concept and ran it. This is our old door. As y'all can see, this is our old door, but this is our new hallway right here now. This is our hallway right here, as you can see. So we're going to have the masonry guys, they're going to have to brick all that in and bring that door right here. We're going to have to brick up this window, and this is going to be a whole new door right here. This is going to be our walkway to exit the property and go out. And then this will be our bathroom. As you can see, this is our bathroom. So we're going to put a window right in here. They're going to take that down and put a window up in there. We're going to have our sink right here. We're going to have our toilet. And then we're going to have our 5-foot tub right there. So, you know, this is the layout for the first unit down here, right? So if you got any questions, you know, about the layout, about anything, we're definitely going to flip this property, as I said. But, you know, feel free to drop them in the comments below, right? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm going to walk around the back. I'm going to walk around the back, y'all, so y'all can see. And this is actually additional walk space. So we thinking about doing like, you know, concrete squares and then putting rocks all around it. Y'all let me know. We thinking about doing that all the way back. I think it's going to look real nice. We actually had to do a special process, you know, because some of this lot technically doesn't come right here. So we had to go through an administrative adjustment process just to kind of, you know, get these things going with the permits. We was held up for about 2 months dealing with the permits, but it worked out. So as you can see, we're breaking up this wall right now and look pretty good. Yep. So we working, y'all. We got a garage. We got a damn near a brand new garage. So some of these properties, it's a lot of money in them, you know. This garage easily could have cost us $20,000, and we literally paid $28,000 for this property. Got a brand new garage once we looked up in the inside. So, you know, we're gonna when we create our dormer up top, we're gonna put the same siding on here as we do in the garage. So we're gonna do the same siding over here, over there. We're gonna keep the peak that you see up there, y'all. We're gonna keep that peak. It's gonna turn out real nice. We just gonna create us a nice back porch right here. We definitely took the old back porch down. It was an enclosed back porch, but we took all that old wood and stuff down. This was gonna be exposed. It's gonna look real nice. Nice little concrete on the bottom right there. You know, and they'll, you know, have some grass, of course, so the water can kind of, you know, seep into, you know, nice privacy fence all the way down, you know, just to clean up this backyard, keep it private. You know, these are things to look for, you know, on a property when you're doing a rehab. You know, people love privacy, people love space, people love garages. I'm actually working on, you know, starting some new construction, so y'all definitely stay tuned for that as well. And in Chicago, what's really big on our properties is garages and basements, so that's what we're gonna be looking for, because this won't have a basement, so to speak. It'll have one unit, then the second unit, this will be duplex upstairs, right? So So yeah, just giving y'all a quick update of how things are looking right now. We're doing pretty good. We did have to file an extension for about 2 to 3 months to keep working on this specific property. We did have to file an extension with our hard money lender. So, you know, shouldn't be a problem at all. You know, we lost a lot of time over the winter. This year was a bit different, so we lost a lot of months. But we still ultimately good. I think everything's still on time to keep going, moving forward. Definitely got some profit in the end, you know, because you make your money when you buy. So, you know, just make sure you're buying the right deal. I don't care if it takes a year or two, you know, a couple months, but just, you know, find the right deal, you know. And if you find the right deal, then you can be profitable at the end of the day. So just giving y'all a quick update. Stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna show y'all the second floor up. I just wanted to kind of show y'all the first floor and see where we at now. So you get some nice days. The weather's good. So we really wanna, you know, focus before we get all that rain up in April. We wanna try to get a lot of this outside stuff done. So by the time the rain comes, we could be working on the inside. So make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, drop any questions below, and I will see y'all on the next one.